Good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Carson Vickroy here. Here's a live look at West Yellowstone, the west entrance of Yellowstone National Park. And you can see there, they picked up a little bit of snowfall overnight. That's probably the one city on the map that did pick up significant snowfall accumulations. So please report what you have seen, and we will get that on our newscast at 10 o'clock tonight. And another thing we're going to show is all this purple on the map. Winter weather advisory is out for all of southwest Montana. For your morning commute on Monday, I do expect slushy and icy roadways, but accumulations in the valleys are going to be relatively light, only up to about 2 inches and then 2 to 6 for pass level roads. And here's what's going on. Big hole, big radar hole is what I like to call it here in southwest Montana. Most of the snow still staying down to the south or to our north and central Montana. In a wider look, you can see this impressive storm system that will be passing to our south throughout the day tomorrow, which will bring in colder air and keep us below freezing for tomorrow. And also what's really helping to filter in this Pacific moisture is this jet stream. You can see the downslope side of the jet stream there is really tapping into that Pacific moisture and shooting it up here into Idaho, Montana, and eventually Wyoming as we head into tomorrow. So here's what you can expect overnight. Not much through about 10 o'clock, but notice some moderate to heavy snow at times will be falling along Highway 191 and 87 down to West Yellowstone, and that's where most of the snow is actually going to stay for us here in the region. Good chance of snow in the Gallatin Range and also the Madison Range and getting up to the Absaroka and Beartooth Mountain Range. And it does persist a little bit on and off throughout the day. Not saying we can't get some moderate snow at times in Bozeman, but this model run right here is showing more higher chances to the south of Interstate 90 to the east of Bozeman, and it does persist through at least Monday night. How much snow are we talking about? Again, not a ton for the valleys. I think there are going to be some happy skiers in Big Sky because we will pick up anywhere between 4 to 6 inches, not only for Big Sky but for West Yellowstone as well. Bozeman Pass, it will be icy tomorrow morning, so be careful if you do have to travel from Livingston or Bozeman. And another thing we have going on tonight is the total lunar eclipse. Unfortunately, it does look like the cloud cover is going to prevail for most of southwest Montana, making for some very poor viewing conditions. Again, totality is at about 10-12 p.m. tonight, so if you do see a few breaks in the clouds, go ahead and look up at the sky, see if you can't see the moon, and send some pictures for us. We'll have more updates coming up at 10.